All right, remember, are we together now? I think we are back together again. So we are moving to the right now. So what did I say? I said I will take, okay, I'll take the first one. And which other one? No, I think I'll take the first one only. Must I take another one here? Let me see. What is the difference? Okay, let me see what is the difference. Here I have a number this side. Okay, they switched. Yeah, they switched. Okay, fine. I'll take one here as well so that we see what happened there. So they want to test your mind there. So let's start with the first one on top. The first one on top, it says what? It says 3x minus 5 is equals to what? Is equals to 16, isn't it? This one. We now know. We have 16 plus 5. Then, if it's 2 marks, you can go straight here and you can just say 3x is equals to 21 because you can calculate in your brain. You are sharp like that. Then you do this one. 2 marks. That's what you do. Okay. 3 marks. Yeah, you can do this one. You can also do the 3 over 3. 3 over 3, 21 over 3. You know those people who are still sleeping. Not us at math so easy. Easy peasy like that. Then in the other one, what do they do? Right, remember. In the other ones, I'll take this one. I'll take this one. So here, what do they want? This is what they want, remember? So let's see. We have 9 is equals to negative 9x minus 3. So which one are you going to do? So here we want a double process. I do not want this 9 because in the end, what do I want? I want to get to an x. So I can do this. I can switch these two. Same time, I can make this one to be positive and make this one to be negative. Then this is what I will have. Okay. So what do they want? They want to see, can you do a double process at the same time? Then what will you have? You will have 9x is equals to negative 12. Then you will have x is equals to negative 12 over 9. Then you'll have x is equals to 3 is our LCD, which goes there 4 times and then goes there like that. Did you get that one, member? I wonder if you got to that one. All right. Then when we teach you, we say, no, you can do what? You can say, what do? You add. This is the long story. Okay. You have negative 9x. You add 9x so that the 9x disappear. What did you change this side? You added a 9x. So you must also add a 9x this side. So it means here, this 9x will come here. You still have the 9 there. Just confusing you. Then that 3 just remains the same. So we confuse you a lot when we start because we want to show you that if I want to get rid of this 9x, I must add its what? Opposite sign, which is that I added the opposite sign, then I brought this one this side. First step. Then you must do another one. What's going to happen there? It's going to be 0. So I'm going to have a what? I'm going to have a 9 plus 9x minus equals to negative 3. Now I must do what? That 9, I must also do the same thing. Negative 9 plus 9. then 9x. What did I do here that is different from here? I put a negative 9. So it means this side I must also put a negative 9. You see what they do? Then in the end, this gives me a 0. I'm left with this one. Then these two give me a negative 12. You see how long it takes? So for me to get to here, I took 1, 2, 3 steps. Then I got here. But here I took only one step. I did a double process at the same time. So that's one way of doing it, okay? Somebody will say, yes, ma'am said we must leave the term with the x on its own. Right, so somebody can say negative 9x minus 3, and they say, okay, I'm going to leave the term with the x this side, but we don't recommend. I only do this if it's positive. Yeah, but when we when we look at this, I want to add the 3. You see, I'm already a step ahead in my mind. So this 3 there, I want to bring it this side. So let me do this. It's going to become positive 3. Okay. Then what will I have? I will have a 12 and a negative 9x. So what am I going to do here? I am going to leave this x here, and then why is my answer? No, it's going to be the same. I thought my answer is going to be different. Now, if I want a 1 as my coefficient, the invisible one, how do I change this negative 9 to become a 1? I divide by itself, isn't it? So it means even this side, I must divide by that negative 9. What answer am I going to have here? A 3 goes there 3, a 3 goes there 4. So I'm going to have a negative 4 over 3. Then in the end, I can switch and say x is equals to negative 4 over 3. Remember, it's all up to you, okay? Right, the first step that is important is that one, then this one, then I think this one, yeah, these ones are important, okay? And you still simplify. I wonder how many marks will they give you for something like this. Okay, maybe they'll give you 2 marks, because all they want to see is that have you made your 9x to be on its own. Then they want to see, can you simplify and divide and calculate? Yeah, something like that. So it's all up to whether the test is an exam or, yeah, it's whether the assessment is a test or an exam. How many marks we allocate, okay? Remember, no, I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay. With the equations, I think I'm okay. I did what? I did one from the top, and then I did what? I did one from the bottom, isn't it? Okay. All right, so let's analyze these quickly and see what happened. On the left, we had only terms that had no coefficient. You see, it's a variable without a number, no coefficient. And we had a number on one side and then equal to a number the other side. Yeah, then here they included a what? A denominator. A fraction, rational expression. You'll find that word somewhere. Then here, what do we do now? We don't have a number only and a term. What do we have? We have a number and a term with a coefficient. So it means they will still want us to do a certain simplification, a certain calculation. So this is what they did there. Then what about this one? Here, the binomial is on the left, the constant is on the right. What do they do here? They switch. starts with the number and then becomes this. So they want to see what happens if you move to the other side. Do you change the sign or do you forget to change the sign? Then if you move from this side to this side, did you change the sign or did you leave it like this? Okay, what did I do? I changed the 12 to be negative, and then I changed the negative 9x to be positive. You see, yeah, that's what they want to check. Yeah, this one, I want to see how you did this one, because it looks like this one, but they made a twist. Then this one, yeah, you are going to do this one, but you must first deal with this negative 2. How do you deal with it? I want to see your work. When I mark, I wonder, what am I going to find? All right, remember, yeah, these are the basic equations. Okay, then let's meet when we deal with those tougher ones with too many terms and brackets and products and distribution, all the algebra things that you can think of. Right, so this was our second video. Let's meet in the third video. Thank you, member.